What if I told you that the most dangerous event in modern history already happened once, and almost nobody remembers it? And it's going to happen again, we just don't know when. September 1st, 1859. A British astronomer named Richard Carrington is doing something he does every clear day, sketching sunspots through a telescope in his private observatory. Nothing unusual, until suddenly, the sunspot he's watching explodes with a blinding white flash. Carrington has just become the first human being in history to witness a solar flare. He has no idea what he's looking at. He has no idea what's coming. 17 hours later, it arrives. Telegraph operators across Europe and North America, the most advanced communication technology on Earth at the time, start seeing sparks fly from their equipment. Some machines catch fire. Operators report electric shocks running through their bodies just from touching the wires. And in one of the strangest confirmed accounts in telegraph history, some operators disconnect their machines from batteries entirely, and the messages keep sending. The atmosphere itself had become charged enough to power the wires without any electricity source at all. That same night, the sky turns into fire. Auroras, normally visible only near the poles, light up the sky over Cuba, Hawaii, and even Colombia, close enough to the equator that gold miners in the Rocky Mountains wake up and start making breakfast, convinced the sun had risen. It hadn't. It was 1 a.m. This is what scientists now call the Carrington event, the largest geomagnetic storm ever recorded, caused by a coronal mass ejection, a massive burst of charged solar plasma, slamming directly into Earth's magnetic field. In 1859, the damage was telegraph wires and some very confused miners. But here's what nobody wants to admit. That same storm, hitting Earth today, would not be an inconvenience. It would be a civilization-ending event. Because in 1859, humanity's most advanced technology was a copper wire. Today, our most advanced technology is everything. The power grid, GPS satellites, the banking system, hospitals, water treatment plants, the internet that this very video is reaching you through. A 2013 study conducted for Lloyd's of London and commissioned with input from NASA estimated that a Carrington-level storm hitting the modern United States could cause up to $2.6 trillion in economic damage in the first year alone. Transformers, the massive pieces of equipment that keep entire regions powered, would burn out permanently. Some of them take over a year to manufacture and replace. Experts have estimated that tens of millions of Americans could be left without power for months. Not hours, months. No power means no water pumps, no refrigeration, no hospitals running on backup generators for more than a few days, no functioning banking system, because it all runs on satellite sync timestamps, no GPS, which means no shipping, no logistics, no supply chains delivering food to grocery stores. And here's the part that should genuinely concern you. This isn't a once-in-a-million-years scenario we can safely ignore. In July 2012, a solar storm just as powerful as the Carrington event tore off the surface of the sun. NASA scientists confirmed it. It missed Earth entirely, not because it was aimed elsewhere and drifted away. It missed because Earth simply wasn't in that part of its orbit yet. The storm crossed the exact orbital path Earth travels, 9 days before we arrived at that same point in space. Physicist Pete Riley from Predictive Science Incorporated published a study calculating the odds of another Carrington-level event hitting Earth directly. His number, a 12% chance per decade. Not per century, per decade. Which means over the course of your lifetime, the odds are not small. They are uncomfortably real. Right now, satellites are constantly monitoring the sun for exactly this kind of event, and space agencies do have limited early warning systems that could give us minutes to hours of notice. Enough time to disconnect critical systems and limit some damage. But minutes to hours is all we would get. Not days, not weeks to prepare. So somewhere out there, right now, the sun is quietly building toward another version of what happened in 1859. We don't know when. We don't know how big. We just know that in 2012, it already tried and missed us by 9 days. The next time, we might not be as lucky.